Hey guys, Kendra and William here. Come along with us as we roam through Wales. I would consider today kind of just a travel day. We didn't do anything, crazy or amazing. We had a couple stops just looking at the landscape. But that's practically most of what we found in Wales so far. This was our first stop of the morning. It was practically just a look at how beautiful the hillside was. There's a little ice cream vendor here, and there's a whole bunch of sheep up on the hill. Sometimes group tours get a little crazy. I'm not sure what the second stop was about, but we did walk around this church and it ended up in a little pastry shop. Our next stop this morning is at the River Wye, W-Y-E. It's very pretty. It's chilly this morning. It's like 54 degrees. So we got off the bus again. This is another little town.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what town we're in. Our tour guide talks so much and it all blurs together.
The way that she says the town name does not match the way it's spelled. It's something like B-U-I-T-H. But she's not pronouncing it any way that we normally would.
So, anyway, we found this little cobblestone sidewalk and it was up a hill, so of course we could get up it, and there's nothing up there. But we're supposed to get lunch and be back at the bus in a little over an hour or so. It is Thanksgiving Day and this is the best I could get. I have a chicken and cranberry sandwich, and the guide kept pointing out this bull and I do not know the story about it. But she was very adamant about making sure everybody took a picture of it. Wales is such a beautiful country. It's so fun just to look out the window.
So we're going into the centre of Llangollen. Oh, dude. Now we're going into the centre of Llangollen, which, as I said, is a little way away.
I really want to do one of those long boat trips, so I think Wales will be in our future again.
Hi everybody, we are in the town of, let's see if I can pronounce this correctly, it is Llangollen or something along those lines.
Llangollen.
It's L-L-A-N-G-O-L-L-E-N. Got a little train station. We're at the River Dee. It's a cute little town. Very nice architecture.
Very, very windy. Let's go. Right across the street.
Got a little archway, bridge.
Like the moss on the rocks.
Yeah, that's good.
It's freezing cold here. They only gave us 1 hour. It's just a really cute little city. She said this is the main street. She pretty much told us to go down, turn right to get ice cream, turn left to come down to the River Dee or some souvenir shops. I think it's probably just a restroom.
The bottom of these lights is the name of a town.
Okay, we're gonna walk on up a little bit. They've got their Christmas lights up. Actually, I want William to pronounce the name of that store for us. I'm gonna get you over there. can you pronounce that?
Okay, so the tour director was saying that this is the name of the shop, and it is making fun of the longest name of an island here in the British Isles.
Maybe we can get her to say it for us.
She did say it.
I think we'll have to try that. Okay, let's continue on up and show you Christmas lights with the name of the town. There you can see it. Oh, Llangollen. Yeah, we can't pronounce these words, but it sounds very pretty whenever they do say them. So I think we're going to go in here and grab a souvenir for our friend Anne. And then we will be headed back to the bus because it's cold. Oh look, another pocket dragon. This one's for Anne, but it had to go in the hoodie pocket too. Well, we just made it a little bit up the street and we found Scottish eggs. So William's always talked about trying a Scottish egg and we've never had the opportunity. So this little shop, oh my goodness, you gotta look at these. We're going in close. They have tons of different options and varieties. We just went with the classic one, and it says it's free-range pork, and it was 4 pounds.
This is cut in half, and
look how
there's the center.
So it's just a hard-boiled egg with pork meat, and then a
Breading, and it's fried.
breading and fried. Okay, so tell us how it is. She says that they are served cold, so you can take them on a picnic.
Pretty good.
Okay, it looks tempting. I think I want to take a bite of it. So. Well, here we are at the beautiful Rossett Hall. It is a nice little building. We're in room 32, and look, we have a doorman now. We have a fun mirror right here first. A nice little armoire closet. Oop, oh my goodness, a fan! Favorite hotel of the week. Right there, y'all go. Places with fans, I appreciate it. We got to turn the heat off up in here. It is hot, hot, hot. But no real view, but we do have like a little wrought iron metal out the window. King size bed. And let's go see how the bathroom is. It's oh, there's the shower. I'm so used to showers being by themselves these days. So skinny tub shower, little toilet, towels. That's about it. So after this, we have one more hotel, and then we will be headed back to Boston. This is the restaurant we picked out. It was right down the street, no sidewalks or anything, but we ended up just ordering a whole bunch of kind of finger foods and had a great evening.